Hello and welcome to the Advist Group's Project Management video series. In today's video, we'd like to start with project failures. That is why we are going to focus on the topics today: possible project failures and possible causes. Projects can fail for a variety of reasons. Here are the 7 most common causes. Unclear goals and requirements. If the project goals are not clearly defined or changed during the project, this can lead to misunderstandings and undesirable developments. Lack of communication. Insufficient communication between project stakeholders can lead to loss of information, delays, and conflicts. Unrealistic time and resource planning. If timeframes and resources are not realistically estimated, it can lead to team overload and missed deadlines. Inadequate risk management. The lack of effective risk analysis and management can lead to unforeseen issues negatively impacting the course of the project. Lack of support from management. If upper management does not sufficiently support or prioritize the project, this can lead to a lack of resources and motivation in the team. PM status report. Insufficient qualification of the project team. A lack of expertise or experience in the team can affect the quality of work and lead to errors. The project group. Lack of flexibility. An overly rigid project structure without adaptability to change can lead to the project not being able to respond to new requirements or challenges. Awareness of these potential pitfalls and the implementation of appropriate countermeasures can help increase the chances of success of projects. On this slide, we want to address 7 causes of the previously shown failures. 1. Strategic orientation unclear. If the project goals and direction are too vague or not clearly defined, misunderstandings and wrong decisions can arise. Without clear requirements, it's difficult to measure the success of the project and stay on track. 2. Cooperation unresolved. If key stakeholders or team members are not sufficiently engaged in the project or there is a lack of commitment, it can lead to a lack of support, insufficient motivation, and ultimately failure. 3. Budget is not enough. If the timeframes or budget are too ambitious and have not been realistically estimated, project stakeholders can be under tremendous pressure, which can lead to errors and rework. This can ultimately destabilize the project. 4. Decisions not sustainable. Incorrect or inadequate decisions result in costs and uncertainties during the course of the project, which can lead to project failure. 5. Top management does not stand behind the goals. If the project is not supported by upper management, there is a lack of resources, prioritization, and necessary decision-making power to overcome obstacles. Leadership support is often critical to the success of a project. 6. Wrong project employees elected. Selecting the right project collaborators is one of the most crucial decisions for the success of a project. If the wrong people are selected for a project, it can lead to various problems such as insufficient commitment or a lack of expertise. 7. Planning done incorrectly. Faulty or inadequate planning is one of the main causes of project failure. If the project is poorly planned from the start, it can lead to a variety of problems that affect the entire course of the project. We have reached the end of the video, in which we have learned the most common project failures and their possible causes. Thank you for checking out the content. We look forward to welcoming you back in our next video.